The next thing to do is sew the neck edge, which is here. Do I want to sew it this way? I think I do, because I can see the inches over here. Let's see. Here it goes. So you're just gonna sew the inside right around there. Come up, whoop, whoop. Look at, see that one is kind of over a little bit. So I'm gonna just go in, take those pins out, grab it, bring it over a little bit more, and put the pins right back in. So anytime you see like you did something wrong, just fix it. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna do this on 7/8. I already have everything ready to go. Perfect, went right down. Okay, so I'm backspace right here. What's good about the machine is like no matter how hard I press on this special foot, it's not gonna go past this one because I have it on the slowest setting, which is really good for me. I like that slow setting. Okay, now wait. I see a fold coming. There's a little fold right there. Okay, so I'm gonna just take it out. It looks like it's gonna try to get a fold. Okay, maybe because we're in that turn. Let's see. Yeah, see it creeping up? I don't know whether because we're in a turn, but it's creeping. As we sew it, it's creeping. I'm thinking because of the turn. Let's just see what's gonna happen at the end. Because I don't want to fold. Because I don't want to redo everything all over again. I don't know what happened, to tell you the truth, but it's trying to get a fold. It's trying to get one on me. I might stop my video, you guys, and repin it and give it some more room here. And I don't know why. Look, because that one's perfect. That one's end to end. And literally the pieces were cut together. So why it did this, I don't know. Maybe one of you guys know why it did it, but I don't. I might like when I become a better sewer, but right now I have no clue why I did that. Okay, well now let's see. I'm about to hit this turn. Guys, I might take it out. It's literally trying to get a fold in it. Okay, wait a minute. Let me put that down. I think I got it. Here, take that pin out too. Let's see. Still going pretty good on the 7/8. Okay, it might just be us doing a turn. There it is right there. That wrinkle that wanted to come in so viciously. see if that did it. Ooh. Press your foot up. Let's see. Smooth everything out. Bring it back down again. Let's just see if it's what it's trying to do. Just kind of smooth it out a little bit. Let's just see. Because I don't want to do a seam ripper once I get done sewing it. No. And I don't want to bolt in the neck. I think I got it, you guys. I think that was it. See, there it is again. Bring it back down. Still coming around the turn. Up because I took the pin out right here. Okay, let me try to get this turned good. Pretty good. We'll see the end results on how the collar is. So I'm gonna just sew this, take out the pins, and then I have to repin it in between the dots. There's certain sections that they want me to sew, certain sections that they don't want me to sew. I'm going to go ahead and pin those sections out when I finish this. We'll see how everything turns out, the end result. Oop, that's just the needle hitting that pin that was in there. And I always have many sewing needles just in case one breaks. And then go back. And then come forward. And then we're done with this. And I'll see you guys on the next video. If you like my beginning sewing videos, go ahead and like and subscribe. Okay, you guys have a great day.